And welcome back to the Mad Scientists. That is my assistant, Braelynn. Okay, so the next experiment we are going to do is called sweet or salty bubbles. So what's the first thing we are going to do is mix some water and some dish soap in the test tube. Assistant, not a whole lot.
That much?
Let's take a look. Lots of less. Little bit less. There we go. Now you put some dish soap in there. This is good. Now you take a straw and you blow some bubbles. That one was a little bit of a failure. We're going to get a smaller straw. Now we know next time. How about we try this straw?
Oh.
Let's put a little more water in there. My assistant has a nice spit into the sink.
But it's just soap in my mouth.
That's because you were saying bad words. Where is she going now? You don't disapprove of your experiments, okay? And that's probably the wrong word, but you don't leave it. Even if you got the soap in the mouth from bad words.
I never said that word.
Okay, we're going to need a little bit more water in there.
Sure, I'll get some more of the water.
And then maybe next time, but don't blow so hard.
I had to, it wouldn't come. That good?
It looks so good. Now put some dish soap in there and let's see what happens.
That good?
Sure, let's try that.
You put it.
Very lightly, you go now. Lift the straw a little bit up from the bottom. There we go, okay. That's nice. And now, the next thing we are going to do is take the straw out.
And clean up all the bubbles.
Well, sure, clean up the bubbles. It's a nice clean up the mess after yourself.
Sure.
Okay. Now oh, that's good. Now put that put the tube in here after you get your finger out. Now we're going to need a little bit of sugar in there. Shake that. That doesn't work too good.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, how about this then?
That is not good.
Okay, throw this in the sink like that, and then we'll go like this. Just to go straight into the tube. Okay, and now let's try the same thing. Blow some bubbles and see what happens. Is there a difference? Smell it or taste it or anything?
How would I taste it?
Oh, it smells nice. Smells very sweet. What does it taste like?
Good.
Would you put it in your cup and drink it then? Not that good, eh? She's going back into the water because it didn't taste that good. Alright, we are signing off now from these experiments. We have to get more supplies for the rest. Say goodbye now to your fans.
Goodbye.
She's just full of life, folks. Look at her. Yes, there she goes.